Here we got a fast lawnmower. One of the projects I've been working on for the past couple months. Ultra Murray. Yeah. Used to be a hydrostatic drive. Can't make hydrostatic go fast unless you rip them all apart. Didn't want to do that, so I switched it out with a 5-speed Peerless. I got a 1-to-1 ratio, 2 4-inch pulleys, one on the front, one on the axle. Powerhouse, 18 horse Tecumseh overhead valve. It's a single cylinder. And they put a new exhaust on it yet. Used to be forward and backwards. Now it's the brake. Batteries mounted there in front. Got my throttle working. Choke. Shifter is something else. Just made this. Used to be, the seat used to be probably up here. I chopped it all down, sitting on as low as possible. You can see it, there's only a couple inches between the seat and the tire. Dropped the console down too. Now for the clutch. It works pretty nice. I have problems with belt slipping off, which I need to fix that yet. It's all custom. Made it myself. I gotta show you this. That is my rear pulley. That was the pulley that was on the hydrostatic, and it's not a round hole. It was a square hole. So the pulley that I had originally on the Peerless was a 8-inch pulley. So I took that top part off, which you see that it's screwed in to that pulley. Squared it off, plopped it in, screwed it together. That is my pulley for now. I gotta get a new one because I want to make this thing go faster. Probably gotta put a 6-inch on the front and keep a 4-inch in the back. Get a little more speed out of it. Seat still flips up. See if I can start this up for you. Maybe not. Another thing I have to work on is this little copper thing that goes on here. Keeps falling off. So I gotta fix it somehow. Kind of hard to do one-handed. Oh. So that is it. There's a little finished work need to be done. There's absolutely no welding that I did personally on here, and I didn't have anybody else do any welding. It's all nuts and bolts holding this thing together, besides the factory welds. But it's kind of cold out there today, so maybe some other time I'll take you for a ride, but not today.